Hi everyone, welcome back. So let's open up another door in the Crafty Advent Calendar. Can't believe we're up to day 21 already. Here is the little door. I'm going to actually flip this around. It's just easier to open this way. There we go. And it looks like we have a small die set. Fish these out and let's take a closer look at this. Looks like a postage stamp die. Let me pull out the white cardstock and out all of these little pieces. Okay, so this looks like a little flower. Then you can cut it out with the square die, and then there's small flowers to layer on top. Off camera, I went ahead and cut out my pieces, put one together, as you can see on the right, but I'm going to put one together for you on camera. I'm layering up this middle flower first with some dark pink and light pink. The center I cut out with mirror gold cardstock. This center has little dots in it. It's so detailed and cute. Now I can put down the little flowers, and I cut these out with some beeswax yellow cardstock. The green cardstock is rainforest green, and then the one that you see to the right I cut out with a lighter green. It's called peridot. You could use the square die alone to cut out a backing for your flower piece if you'd like. And that's what I'm going to do for these two little squares. Except for I'm going to tilt them. You'll see what I'm talking about here in just a sec. Let's put the centers on the little yellow flowers. These are such little pieces to keep track of. I had to cut out another set because I lost the fourth one. Let me find my tweezers and I'll give you a close-up look at this finished square. And you can see that some of the dies are etched with little details. Now we can put this card together. So my white panel, I used some edge dies to cut that out. The die comes from the set called Winter Borders Etched Dies. And the pattern paper comes from another card kit of the month. This one was called Jump into Fall. Then I'm going to put down these squares. They look like diamonds. And then put the flower piece right over it. I thought that was a really cute look. Do the same over the gold mirror cardstock. And then this little sentiment set comes from a set called Everyday Sentiments by Simon Hurley. I really love the font on these sentiments. Now I can attach this to a white side folding card base with a little bit of glue. And then I'll give you a close-up look at this finished card. As always, I'll have the links listed in the description box below. And I'll be back again tomorrow for day 22. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed today's card project. I love how this one turned out. I used some leftover pattern paper on the inside of this card. Have a wonderful crafty day, my friends. Bye.